Are you tired of scrolling through endless resale listings only to find homes that need updating, costly repairs, or just don't fit your lifestyle? What if I told you right now that in one of the most desirable areas of Palmdale, there's a brand new community with a stunning floor plan, smart home technology, and unbeatable value, and it's selling fast. A little dirt never hurt. Welcome to the Reserve at Quartz Hills, the newest, most exciting new construction community in the Antelope Valley. I'm about to show you 5 powerful reasons why this is not just another neighborhood, but the best and only place that you should be looking if you want a modern, move-in ready home today. Stick with me, because at the end of the video, you're going to see exactly why Quartz Hills is becoming the go-to destination for new construction buyers in all of Los Angeles County, and why these homes are an opportunity that you do not want to miss. Hey, if it's the first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is to learn about living in Southern California and the surrounding areas like Quartz Hill, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market conditions in Southern California. My name is Eric Volkers, and me and my partners and team, we get calls and emails every single day from people just like you, and we love it. So whether you're looking to move in 10 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'd be happy to help you make that smooth move to Southern California. So as I mentioned, we are here in Quartz Hill.
Reason number 1, location and lifestyle. Quartz Hill sits in one of the most desirable areas of Palmdale. Here, you're just minutes away from shopping centers, great dining, top-rated schools, and outdoor recreation spots. Families love Quartz Hill for its balance of suburban tranquility and city accessibility. Imagine coming home to wide streets, breathtaking mountain views, and a true neighborhood feel, all while being close enough to commute to Los Angeles or Lancaster. Plus, Quartz Hill has a reputation for being one of the most community-driven areas in the Antelope Valley. Local parks, sports leagues, and seasonal events create a welcoming atmosphere for everyone. It's not just about buying a home, it's about moving into a lifestyle where connection and convenience are at your doorstep. Reason number 2, stunning floor plans and designs. Now, there's a variety of floor plans and home designs. At the Reserve, you're going to find 1- and 2-story homes ranging from 2,488 to over 3,000 square feet. That means plenty of space whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or a room for a growing household. These home features include 4 to 5 bedrooms, perfect for flexibility, guest rooms, or even that home office, 3 to 4 bathrooms designed for comfort and privacy, and 2 to 3 car garages because we all need that extra storage or workspace. Inside, the layouts are designed with today's lifestyle in mind. You'll love the open concept kitchens and great rooms, ideal for entertainment and family time. Picture yourself hosting friends around the large kitchen island with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops shining under modern lighting. The designs here aren't cookie cutter. They're thoughtfully crafted to maximize natural light, flow, and functionality. Every detail feels intentional, making your everyday living easier and more enjoyable.
Reason number 3, smart home technology. Now, one of the biggest advantages of buying new construction today is the smart home living. Every home at the Reserve includes America's Smart Home Package, and that means your home is equipped with a Honeywell thermostat that you can adjust from your phone, a smart switch that lets you control lights remotely, and a Skybell video doorbell so you can always know who's at your door, all in a single app that keeps it all connected. Reason number 4, quality and value of new construction. Now, when you buy a resale home, you're often looking at repairs and updates and hidden costs. At the Reserve, you're buying brand new move-in ready homes built with the latest materials and energy efficient systems. What does that mean? Lower maintenance costs, modern finishes already included, energy saving with better insulation, windows, and appliances, and builder warranties that give you confidence in your investment. And let's be honest, there's something special about being the very first person to live in the home, and everything is fresh, untouched, and is designed for today's lifestyle and not yesterday's. Plus, with the pricing starting in the mid-700s, these homes offer outstanding value for the size, feature, and location. In Los Angeles County, that's just an incredible opportunity right there. Finally, reason number 5, the community and builder reputation. Now, the Reserve at Quartz Hill is built by D.R. Horton. It's America's largest home builder. They have been trusted by millions of homeowners nationwide because of their commitment to quality, customer service, and creating neighborhoods that last. Here, you're not just buying a home, you're joining a thoughtfully planned community where every detail from street design to landscaping is meant to create a welcoming, long-lasting environment. And you got the bedroom. Right off near the outside, private patio, really quiet, really great. Next to the family, again. You have your kids, elder, you name it. Again, bottom floor, easy access, and you can actually get in through the other door. Okay, you got some really good landscaping here. This particular one features water efficient plants and irrigation. Nice, easy access, clean, not bushes and everything all over the place. And we're going into the multi-gen entrance right here. Put your grandma here, your kid coming back from school, get their own little place. Check this out. Walk right in here, sit down, be comfortable. Got your own little sink here and the microwave. Do your dishes. Got your bathroom right here. Again, we're on a single floor here, not upstairs, downstairs. Great for elder. Got your shower, you don't have a tub you have to fall over to get in. Really easy.
Let's get to some really important stats and important growth in the area that can affect the potential future home prices in the area. Now, local employers and job growth drivers in Palmdale and Quartz Hill. Northrop Grumman. Employees in Palmdale, approximately 3,000 to 4,000. Growth driver, their expansion of the B-21 Raider program at Plant 42, increasing demand for aerospace engineers and technicians. Lockheed Martin, employees in Palmdale, approximately 2,000 to 3,000. Growth driver, development of advanced aircraft at the Skunk Work facility, necessitating skilled aerospace professionals. Palmdale Regional Medical Center, employees approximately 533. Growth driver, introduction of new medical services and technologies, expanding the need for healthcare staff. Walmart, Palmdale store, employees approximately 600. Growth driver, expansion of e-commerce operations and local store openings, creating additional retail and logistics positions. Antelope Valley Union High School District, employees approximately 1,000 to 5,000. Growth driver, introduction of new educational programs and campus expansions, increasing the demand for teaching and administrative staff.
Stop. This is really important. Why you must use a realtor for new construction. Okay, now, if you're thinking about buying a brand new home, let me tell you something. Most buyers don't realize that walking into a builder's sales office without your own realtor is like walking into a court without a lawyer. Not good. Yes, you can do it, but you're just risking your money, your protection, and your future investment. So here's why you absolutely need a realtor, and I'm on your side when buying new construction. Okay, reason number one why you need a realtor for a builder. First, the builder salesperson, they don't work for you. They work for the builder. Their job is to protect the builder's bottom line, not your best interest. And my job is the absolute opposite. I'm your advocate from start to finish, making sure that you get what you want, what you need, and nothing less. Second reason, negotiation and incentives. Builders love to say, our prices are fixed, but here's the truth. There are hidden incentives, upgrade credits, and financing perks that most buyers never even heard about. Because I know how to ask, when to push, and what's negotiable, I can often save you thousands of dollars and value that you'd miss if you walked in alone. Third reason, builder contracts. These are written by the builder's lawyers, and trust me, they're designed to protect the builder, not you. Without a realtor, you could be signing away important rights and not even know it. I go through every detail with you and explain the fine print and protect you from costly surprises. Fourth reason is quality and accountability. Inspections and construction oversight. Now, just because it's a new home doesn't mean it's perfect. Builders sometimes cut corners, and I make sure that you have your inspections, your walkthroughs, and accountability so that the home that you move into is truly the home that you were promised. No excuses, no headaches. Okay, fifth reason here. My experience is at no cost to you. Finally, my experience and network with over 20 plus years of marketing and client services, plus my real estate experience, I know how to position you for success and connect you with the trusted lenders, inspectors, and guide you every step of the way. And here's the kicker. My services cost you absolutely nothing, and the builders pay my commission, not you. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me today. Here's the deal. Walking into a new construction community without me by your side is like walking into a poker game without knowing the rules. You might come out okay, but chances are you're gonna leave money and peace on the table. With me, you get someone who knows the builder contracts inside and out and how to unlock hidden incentives and how to make sure that your brand new home is exactly what you paid for, all at zero cost to you. So whether you're buying in Quartz Hill, Palmdale, or anywhere across LA County, don't gamble with the biggest purchase of your life. Call me, text me, DM me, or Zoom me, my favorite, and however you want to connect. I'll make the process easy, stress-free, and actually exciting. I'm Eric Volkers, your new construction expert, your advocate, and hopefully your realtor. And until next time, this is Living in Southern California. Other agents show homes, I secure futures. Let's get your dream home done right.